Tata Steel's strategy from where we were 5 years ago to go to where we want to be 10 years from now stands on 5 pillars. The first one is to grow in India. India is a growing market, and which is the reason why we are expanding Jamshedpur to 10 million tons. The second pillar is to continue to adopt the de-integrated strategy, whereby we want to make semi-finished steel in India and take it to countries like Southeast Asia where markets are growing. The third pillar is that the steel industry is rapidly consolidating, and Tata Steel needs to be a global consolidator in the steel industry. The fourth pillar is acquiring raw material security for this enlarged entity. The fifth pillar is going down the value chain in terms of construction solutions, more and more finished products and so on.
We have just finished our centenary year. Yet there is so much to do for our customer service, product development and solutions for our automotive and construction customers. Apart from this, we need to master total quality management, technology and continuous improvement to be a benchmark company in the world. Our operations are now spread all over the globe. We are in UK, Europe, India and Southeast Asia. So the challenge is to have a very good integration both of minds and of performance. Please join us where your talent, your technical skills and your ability to innovate is valued and nurtured.
Tata Steel is not merely a steel company, but is an icon in the steel industry. It is an integrated steel plant which also operates large iron and coal mines for its own consumption. After acquisition of Chorus, our requirement of raw materials has further gone up. In the days to come, Tata Steel would be one of the largest mining industry in the steel sector. We are expanding our mining capacities in Noamundi and Joda, as well as our coal mines at West Bokaro. Setting up a new plant poses its own challenge. One has to manage the environment, the community, the expectations of the society. This kind of experience comes once in a lifetime.
Steel industry is technology intensive. To excel in steel, it is important to have both a deep understanding of the technical concepts as well as practical acumen.
For Tata Steel, you youngsters are the driving force because it is you who will help the company attain technological self-sufficiency. Our objective is not just to recruit you, but to nurture you and help you realize your full potential by providing high-quality technical training.
We are talking of proficiency in statistical tools and techniques. We are talking of project management techniques and exposures. We are talking of safety to ensure that the incumbents are ready for any assignment anywhere in the global growth plan of Tata Steel.
Join Tata Steel. Join hands in taking India to newer heights of technological supremacy.
The whole corporate world today is talking about the triple bottom line, the Millennium Development Goals. Basically, it means people, planet and profits. And we have been addressing the needs of the communities for over a century. We work in the areas of sustainable livelihood, health and hygiene, education and environment. As youngsters who are about to embark on your professional career in the corporate world, Tata Steel offers an excellent opportunity to fulfill your professional dreams as well as partake in social projects undertaken by the company. Come join us for a career which goes beyond steel making, for in Tata Steel we fondly say, we also make steel.
It was the founder, Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata, when he wrote to his son Sadurab Tata to earmark large areas for football and hockey when he constructs the steel plant. Tata Steel as an organization not only helps in nurturing young talent through our various academies, whether it be the Tata Football Academy, Tata Archery Academy or Tata Athletics Academy. We believe in creating wonders out of little stars, but at the same time, we build infrastructure to ensure that the families and the children not only learn the skills of sports, but also remain fitter, younger and more productive. So if you have the spark inside you, come and join us. Be a part of the sporting spirit of Tata Steel.
Tata Steel is a flagship company of the Tatas. It is the signature of the Tatas. It is a company which was run for over 50 years by none other than J.R.D. Tata, a person who displayed immense amount of humaneness and love and affection in a business community which was otherwise full of cutthroat competition. It's an organization which actually encourages you to revolutionize yourself rather than trying to find fault with the world around you. I welcome you to the world of human beings, an environment which is full of humaneness and an environment which actually cares for people.
When I was considering Tata Steel as a possible career choice, not only my family, but I was also a little apprehensive about joining a core manufacturing company. But the modern work practices and equipments, and most importantly, the culture of respect and equity in this organization has made our experience quite enjoyable and enriching.
Join Tata Steel to steal the show.